on to other breaking updates. A 5,000-page charge sheet that has been filed in the Lakhimpur Kheri violence case, where MOS Ajay Mishra's son Ashish Mishra has been named as the main accused. Let me go across to Ananya quickly. Now, Ananya, in about 3 months' time, ever since this reported incident in Lakhimpur Kheri, we are looking at the main accused, Ashish, and others, 13 others, who are currently in jail that have been named by the police, the SIT that was formed in the charge sheet.
Yes, rightly mentioned that almost after 3 months of the incident, now a charge sheet has been filed by the SIT that is probing this whole case, the Lakhimpur Kheri violence case. Remember that a total of 8 people had lost their lives into this whole incident. And now a 5,000 pages charge sheet has been filed. Ashish Mishra Teni, the son of MOS home Ajay Mishra Teni, has been named as the main accused in this whole charge sheet, apart from 13 other people who have been named as an accused in this case. And remember that this is coming almost 3 months. Remember that when cases of murder are involved, there is a stipulated time of 90 days with the police in order to file the charge sheet. And this charge sheet is very timely, coming in as the probe had continued. Remember, in fact, a Supreme Court monitored committee has also been set up in order to probe, in order to monitor the investigation that is going on in this regard. The investigation is also being seen by a senior IPS officer, which was appointed by the top court of the country after there was delays, because remember that the UP police and the UP government were facing the wrath of the Supreme Court with regards to this whole probe. And later on, the Supreme Court had to intervene, make a committee, and also a court monitor probe was ordered into the Lakhimpur Kheri violence incident. Back to you.
Ananya, it seems like a very detailed charge sheet, because we are told around 5,000-page charge sheet that had to be actually carried in a box there by the SIT. We are looking at the SIT going into a lot of detail there while this charge sheet was being filed by them.
But yes, this is a very lengthy charge sheet, because remember that this case is based on a lot of video evidence, a lot of electronic evidence was identified. Remember that more than 1,000 videos would have been scanned. Apart from that, CCTV footage of various nearby areas would also have been seen up, because remember that there were 2 versions coming out, and it was only electronic evidence that had the value in order to prove the conspiracy or what had actually happened that day. So a lot of videos would have been examined, their transcript would have been created, and hence this such a long charge sheet has been filed. Amita.
Absolutely, Ananya, because what is being said that a detailed investigative report that was carrying out by the agency, collecting photo evidences, video evidences, phone evidences, everything that is being included in the charge sheet, and those pictures they're also coming across as this box that you can see on your screens, viewers, is apparently carrying nearly 5.
ठीक है, वही तिकुनिया हिंसा मामले से जुड़ी। ठीक, अच्छा कोई नाम, कुछ नाम भी बढ़े हैं क्या? ये क्या धारा लगी क्या उन पे? ठीक,
सर कितने पन्ने की है?
On ground reactions that we're getting of the 5,000-page charge sheet that has been filed by the SIT there, which was investigating the Lakhimpur Kheri violence case in October that had happened last year in 2021, where the SIT has finally gone ahead after investigative reports and the investigation being in its final stage. The charge sheet has now been filed by the SIT. Yes, Ananya, thereafter what happens now?
Yes, after the charge sheet has been filed, the court would decide a date for taking cognizance of this charge sheet, following which it would be given out if the court takes cognizance, finds everything is correct. All the remember, because there are sections of writing and murder also involved, so there are certain sanctions that have to be taken from the government itself. So now the court would check if all the documents and necessary evidence are available with the police, and would verify if the charge sheet has been filed correctly. Then the court would put up the case for, after taking cognizance, it would put up the case for scrutiny of documents, following which the charge sheet would be given out to the accused persons and their advocates, following which the trial in this case would begin. Ashish will have to face the trial. In fact, the court would proceed on with framing charges or not framing charges. That depends actually upon what the charge sheet clearly says. However, the big development is 5,000 pages charge sheet with huge electronic evidence coming in. There would also be the transcripts of various videos that have been analyzed by the police. And remember that the Republic was the first one to broke down that there is a forensic report that clearly states that the bullets were fired from Ashish's pistol, and the bullet shells that were recovered were in burnt state, which clearly suggests that there was firing that took place before the cars were burned down by the farmers there. 8 people having lost their lives into this whole incident. And now a big development, the SIT filing a 5,000-page charge sheet into this whole case. It might be a very big breakthrough after the details of this charge sheet would be divulged into the general public.